We stay 2.5 and it's still bubbling its happy little bottom off. Oh God, that's what the coil's gonna look like. Like I say, this stuff's still bubbling its little happy bottom off. Now I got my circulatory system hooked up. And all we gotta do is keep them coils cool and we'll be distilling. That thumper should be here sometime today. We'll get that hooked up. 2 or 3 days from now we'll be making fuel. Guys, this is Jesse over at S&J Custom. We just got that little press up and running, and it didn't come with the drawing dies that was promised. They're gonna send them to me, but all I could really do was, you know, time-wise, was a little small billet. It was the end that I cleaned off, and you know, I cut the bad end off, and then I had about, I guess about an inch, about 2 inches left over. So I mashed that out, and then that's what we got right there. Gonna be a nice little low layer EDC. It's got a wild ass pattern, you know. And this weekend too, we also got these 4 quenched. Now, I don't have no HRC files, but a normal file is around 65 on the hardness. It's barely biting in, so I'm guessing we're at 62. They're skating, you know. That's that it's probably about maybe, you know, between 60 and 62 on that. I'm real proud of the way that come out. And right here, we got us 2 sets of ebony, one with orange liners, one with red liners. And we're gonna make twins out of these little guys right here. And when them drawing dies get here, y'all seen them 2 big billets that I got out there to stretch. I just didn't have the resources, you know, time-wise, and it would take a lot of propane to lengthen those bars with those flat dies. So everything else on that little press is more than expected. That little knife was about 1 inch longer, and I was using some Fuller & dies that I had, that I made, and smashed all the way through it about 1 inch. All right, guys, check these out. I'm figuring to go study these wrenches right here, and this is gonna be a giveaway thing. You know, I was talking about Patreon, but hell, I ain't had time to go look at that, and man, I'm thinking that we can do this with a comment on YouTube, and we'll make this and see what this knife tells us, and then, well, this piece of steel, it'll tell us what it wants to be, and we'll see about a giveaway on this one. We'll see y'all next time.